Question 5. Here are the heights in centimetres of 20 sunflower plants. So we've got 73, 84, 78, 96, 98, 84 and so on. Okay. Part A says draw an ordered stem and leaf diagram for these heights. So make sure you put every single bit of data into the ordered stem and leaf diagram. Don't leave any out by mistake. Okay. So my lowest value, my lowest sunflower plant, or shortest sunflower plant I should say, is 71. Okay, so I've got some in the 70s, I've got some in the 80s, 90s and also the 100s. Okay, so 71 I'm going to put in, all I need to put is a 1 here, and that represents 71. I've also got 73, now don't forget it has to be in order, okay, so from smallest to biggest. Any more 70s? I've got 78, and that's all my 70s, so I'm going to do my 80s. So my smallest 80 is 81, then I've got 84 and 84, I also have 87 and 88. Now they need to be in line like this. Okay, there shouldn't be any commas in between these numbers. And let's do the 90s. 91, 92, 93. Let's do this carefully. 93, 95. I've got 3 96s. And one more, 98, okay, which are just about fit on there, okay. And hundreds, I've got 100, so 0 there, 101, 103, 104, okay. Now, they've been nice enough to remind you need a key, and that's going to be worth 1 mark, okay. So how do I do a key? So you just take one of these, I'm going to choose 71. Do 7, line 1, represents 71, okay, and that's a key. So this is worth 3 marks. Let's just have a quick look at what the mark scheme says. So the first mark comes from having an ordered stem and leaf diagram, and also if it's all the bits of data are there in the right places, you get your second mark as well. Okay, if you've made any errors, then it's just going to be 1 mark, or if it's all there but without it being in order, then that's also just 1 mark. Okay, the third mark comes from this key here. Okay, and that's how you get 3 marks. So part B says find the median height. Now it's already ordered for you, okay? So the median is when you order all your bits of data and you find the one that's bang in the middle, okay? In this case, in fact, there's one more thing we should have done. There's 20 bits of data. Let's just check we've got 20. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, they're all there. So the 20 bits of data, I want to find the one bang in the middle, okay? So the great thing about stem and leaf diagram is already ordered for you. Okay, so you could do it the old-fashioned way, where you count down from either side. So I'm going to do it that way. So that's smallest, that's the biggest. Second biggest, second smallest. Third biggest, third smallest. Fourth and fourth. Fifth biggest, fifth smallest. Sixth biggest, sixth smallest. Seventh biggest, seventh smallest. 8th biggest, 8th smallest, 9th smallest, 9th biggest, okay, so it's 92, in between 92 and 93, okay, so in between 92 and 93, so I want to find the middle of that, okay, so I need to find the mean, so add them together and divide it by 2, and that's going to give us 92.5. And that is the final answer, 92.5. That is worth 1 mark here, and that's for the final answer of 92.5. And that is it.